guys, my name is Marissa, also known as Homemaking with Marissa. Today's video is going to be teaching you how I make a quick and easy Chex Mix as a super simple Christmas gift for neighbors or for coworkers. If this is something that you're interested in, make sure and give this video a thumbs up so that I know to create videos like this in the future. Here are the ingredients I am going to need for my sweet Chex Mix. We are going to use 2 cups of Fritos, 1.5 cups of red and green M&Ms, 1 cup of peanuts, 3 cups of pretzels, 2 cups of Bugles, 1 cup of cinnamon Chex, and then this entire bag of white chocolate chips. To make our sweet Chex Mix, I am going to take these pretzel sticks and measure out 3 cups into a large glass bowl. Next, I'm going to add 2 cups of Bugles, 2 cups of Fritos, 1 cup of cocktail peanuts, 1.5 cups of red and green M&Ms, and 1 cup of cinnamon Chex. You want to make sure that this is really well mixed together. Once your Chex Mix is really well mixed together, we're going to use a double boiler to melt our chocolate to drizzle over the top. I am using 1 whole bag of these Ghirardelli white chocolate chips. I just brought a pot of water to a boil and I'm going to mix the chocolate here until it completely melts. This is what you're looking for. You want your chocolate to be completely melted. You do need to stir continuously so that it doesn't stick to the bottom or burn. Once your chocolate's melted, you're just going to go ahead and add it to your mixture. This does take quite a bit of mixing to make sure that it's all well coated. I am going to just dump it onto this baking sheet and let it cool. And then you'll want to just store it into an airtight container. And it doesn't need to be refrigerated or anything. It's just good to go. Because I wanted to gift these to coworkers for Christmas or as neighbor Christmas gifts, I ordered these little bags off of Amazon that are Christmas themed and include the twist tie. I will go ahead and link this specific bag in the description box down below if it's something you'd like to order for your neighbor or coworker gifts. Once your Chex Mix has completely cooled, you're just going to transfer it to these little bags. I tried to pick out all of the green and yellow. For those of you that are new, I live in Oregon. My husband is a huge Oregon Duck fan, so I thought it would be cute to pass them out to all of our fellow Oregonians. You're just going to stick your mixture into these bags. Now, initially I tried to use a small mason jar, however, it wasn't working very well, so I moved on to just using clean hands. As I mentioned earlier, these bags all came with their own individual twist tie to make sure that your Chex Mix is really well secured inside of the bags. Let me know in the comments down below if you make gifts for your coworkers or for your neighbors, and if so, what you like to pass out. I will have the link for the original source for this recipe in the description box down below if it's something that you would like to check out and make for your family. Each batch of Chex Mix was able to make 9 small Christmas gifts. This is going to be perfect for us to pass out to the neighbors as well as a simple Christmas treat for my husband's coworkers. If you are new to my channel and haven't done so already, you can subscribe by clicking on my face here.
I will have my entire Christmas playlist for you here, as well as an additional video for you here. I hope you're all staying happy and healthy. Bye!